Greetings, my name is Kerry and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do, over the next couple of weeks, some bonus very short videos which will be mainly to do with Christmassy bookish things. I haven't bothered to set up my lights properly, which is why the lighting is a bit weird, because it's just going to be a very quick video. Every week I'm going to be opening my book advent calendar from Ninja Book Box. I've got the main box here. I just realised I don't have any scissors, so this is going to be fun. Today I'm just going to open the whole box and unwrap the first book and go through some of the other exciting stuff that's in here. I'm so excited. I've been looking forward to this for ages. Let's get this tape off. And so there's lots of little packets that are numbered. So I think there's like a little gifty thing and a book each week. 3. This one's number 1. Oh, there's instructions. Didn't see that. How to use your indie book advent calendar. You have one book and one gift parcel for every week in December. Of course, you are welcome to open your parcels whenever you like. Oh, and I think there might be recipes in there as well. So they're doing live unboxings on the Ninja Book Box Instagram as well. Here we go. This is book number 1, and here is parcel number 1. I'm going to do the little parcel first. Ooh! So I've got a little badge that says Book Addict. That's really cute. And then there's a recipe for Lebkuchen, which is one of my favourite Christmas snacks. They'd be really fun. Ooh! I might make some at the weekend actually, because I can make them entirely freeform, which will suit my house. And then there's a little information card about St. Nicholas. So we're actually celebrating St. Nicholas Day in my house because most of us won't be here for Christmas. So that's really cool, and I'm going to see what the book is. I love the paper as well, pretty star paper. So this is Paul McVeigh, The Good Son, which is published by Salt, who are a really great indie publisher. I've read a couple of their things before. So it says, Michael Donnelly is smart, which isn't a good thing in his part of town. Despite having a dog called Killer and being in love with the girl next door, everyone calls him gay. It doesn't help that his best friend is his little sister, wee Maggie, and that everyone knows he loves his ma more than anything in the world. He doesn't think much of his older brother, Paddy, and really doesn't like his da. He dreams of going to America, taking wee Maggie and Ma with him, to get them away from Belfast and da. Mickey realises it's all down to him. He has to protect Ma from herself, and sometimes you have to be a bad boy to be a good son. That sounds really fun. I love stuff set in Northern Ireland and Ireland, because although Northern Ireland is part of the UK, I know it has a really troubled past and I don't know a lot about it. So this sounds like it'd be really good, really interesting, and could maybe be a book that I could include for my TBR for Christmas Readathon as something that might teach me something. So that's really exciting. I'm so looking forward to every week opening up the rest of these little parcels. It's really cool. So while I'm talking about Christmassy bookishy things, I have taken part in a couple of bookish Secret Santa type things this year, and I've had a couple of things arrive already, and one of them fortunately came wrapped, so when I opened the parcel I realised what it was. So this is from the Persephone book swap organised by Ninja Book Box, so I'm saving this to open on Christmas Eve probably. Maybe for Yola Bokflod. And then the other one, it was from Amazon, so it wasn't wrapped within the box, so I didn't know what it was until I opened it. So this was sent to me by Aoife from Words of Clover. I'm not sure if that's a booktube or a blog, but I will link any details I can find. And she was so generous and I was so excited. She sent me 2 books. So we've got Girl, Woman, Other by Bernadine Evaristo, which I've wanted to read, won the Booker Prize last year, and I've heard so many good things about this book, and I think Aoife actually said she loved it, so that's really exciting. And then she also got me Shorefall, which is the second in the Founders trilogy, the first one being Foundryside, and I read Foundryside in the summer and I absolutely loved it, so I'm really excited to carry on with this series. So thank you so much to Aoife for sending me those. Thank you to Ninja Book Box for being so awesome. And that's it. Very short, very quick, I realise. Just a very short video because I've been so excited to unbox my bookish advent calendar, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the rest of the weeks will bring me. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!